In particular 2 years, I was able to fulfill my dream.
So when I think of the topic, when I first started investing, I think it was 2 to 3 years back. And before that, whenever I had money, I used to like put it somewhere, save it, give it to my mom. And when I joined Master Trust, I got to know that there are a lot of options we can explore instead of just saving it into your bank account. तो मुझे सबसे पहले पता चला about SIP. So I started with SIP and now I have been exploring a lot of stocks also. So this is how I first started with a lot of fear in my mind, but then yeah.
Yes, when I got married, actually that was the time I actually realized that savings are not just enough. You don't have to. You have to actually look for some future also options also. Like what are the future options? Like how to grow, how to be financially independent.
Yeah.
That was the actual thought, initial thought which came across my mind, and suddenly I was just sitting. I was like, no, Sheila, you have to do something. You have to be financially independent. So that is when I actually gone for a particular SIP only. It was very small amount, but yes, that's how my journey started. Post marriage.
I'll share my experience with all of you. So when I started working, I had set up a goal in my mind that I want to purchase a new car for myself.
Okay.
Then I was not aware that where I have to put my money to compound it and to reach that goal. So particularly in 2021, so I earned a chunk of money by working every month. So then I thought that where should I put the money? I was searching out on the web platform, social media, that what is the particular way I can earn more than FD, but it according to my risk appetite as well. So I started my investment directly through equity and mutual funds, both. So I started SIP, and along with that, I also entered into the DMAT as well. So in particular 2 years, I was able to fulfill my dream, and I purchased my own car. So then afterwards, I created another goal of 2 years, and now I'm working towards that itself. And indeed, equity, mutual funds, and my risk appetite and all the debt is also helping me out to grow my investments.
That's amazing. Yeah. Short term, long term, mid term goals and all that.
Absolutely.
Yes. So
So, as I am the eldest one,